here celebrating a milestone along the banks of the Fraser River. Today we're having our public dedication ceremony to officially open the Fraser Flats public fishing section in Grand County. This event marks the culmination of the Fraser Flats River Habitat Project.
It's a big deal to get a new section of public access fishing because a lot of the headwaters, both the Fraser and Colorado rivers, the St. Louis River, they're not public. So we really appreciate the ability to open this up for our public.
This area has been impacted by water diversions, grazing, and other land management practices for decades. And those things have really taken a toll on the health of the Fraser River. In 2015, the collaborative group from the East and West Slopes called Learning by Doing got together to restore nearly 1 mile of the Fraser River in the Fraser Flats area. The actual restoration work began in 2017. That's when volunteers planted more than 2,000 willow bushes and nearly 100 cottonwood trees to shade the river and reduce erosion. Crews also made improvements to the stream bed so that the river can stay healthy year-round, even during times of low flow.
After the project was completed, we saw an immediate increase in the trout population to where we had about 4 times the trout population in this reach than we did previously. So it immediately brought it up to levels that we see elsewhere on the Fraser.
I think a year ago, people coming out here, if they could have got on this property to fish, would have found there were no fish bigger than about 6 inches. And now they can expect catching regularly fish in the 16 to 18 inch range. Once you get here, you've got 4/10 of a mile to fish. I could spend 2 hours here easily. It's a nice piece of public water.
This is a beautiful rainbow. It's about 13, 14 inches.
I think for a project like this, it really takes a village to come together with business owners, government, the public, and when everyone gets together and pitches in, we get a beautiful project like this river restoration that'll live for a lifetime.
There's another reason for it.
I don't think this would have happened 20 or 30 years ago. I think it's taken a long time to get to this point, but we've got the right people in place throughout these organizations, can think outside of the box and realize all the benefits that can be had through collaboration.
It feels great. It feels good to see the community come together. It feels good to see younger generations of the entities that have worked so hard over the years come together, and new blood getting very excited about what we're doing. It feels really good.
Yeah, we're really hoping that when people drive by, they'll see the sign at the trailhead and be invited to come down and see the river improvements that we've done and to cast a line and enjoy this new fishing spot.
Man, this river looks great. You can hear it, it sounds great, it's got strong flows. I saw several trout just dashing across the water when I was walking over here. It's fantastic, it's very exciting to see.
Fraser Flats rainbow trout.